Today on World Famous Foods, homemade balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Look at this, folks. Let's do this. Okay, so here we go with our balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Gonna add some olive oil to our bowl here. Have some balsamic vinegar. That's good. Got some garlic. Some Dijon Mustard here. Come on now. There we go. And we got some honey. Of course, using a hot honey. Okay. Add some salt. A little black pepper. Mix this all up. Look at that, folks. Better than store-bought. Simple, easy, homemade balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Enjoy.